Speaker sir, I just want to, because there's little time, 2 मिनिटांनी थिंगा 2 इश्यू आहे. सिवेज कॉर्पोरेशनान both आल्ले आणि part of housing board इलेक्शन extension ha, because there is no much time. Now I have already given application. Will the minister consider doing that election for the time being, because both the parts work is completed Mudilmaka among the works that have been done. Will the minister consider, because I have given application to Sewerage Corporation, much extension just to half a kilometer, I think 1 kilometer, ek koden and half a kilometer. So will it be done fast? I want an assurance. One in Bariabat and second in Kurtori passing via Wagude, because that places there are a lot of issues. Question: will the minister issue me, because there is no much time.
Speaker sir, I have already answered Dille asa. Providing houses, sewer connections to individuals' houses and apartments at Allem, Barapat and Kurtori constituencies. All applications received, Speaker sir, have been disposed. Only 4 numbers are remaining, Speaker sir, which is under scrutiny, which will be also disposed, Speaker sir. But what Honorable MLA is saying about continuation, Speaker sir, the kidney asa, Speaker sir. तो एक issue asa कि घरा खंय तरी बांधल्या ताका खबर आहा कारगिल म्हणटा पळय ते ताका खबर आहा सगळे स्पोर्ट्स हांवें सांगपाची गरज ना कारगिल म्हणटा ते म्हणजे थंय कुर्तरी मतदारसंघ कारगिल म्हणटा मरे खंय तरी एक थंय स्पीकर सर थंय स्पीकर सर
हांव करेक्ट करता मिनिस्टराक आमी कारगिल म्हणनाय आमी वागुड्या म्हणटाय
अच्छा वागुडे
कारगिल
म्हाका वागुडी स्पीकर सर हांव वागुडे म्हण विचारले कोणाक ते म्हणटा हां वागुडे कारगिल म्हणटा बरें स्पीकर सर इशू हा स्पीकर सर इशू स्पीकर हा स्पीकर सर
हांगा क्वेश्चनवर मिनिस्टर क्वेश्चन हांगा सोंपता.